Sometimes you just need to know a number divisible by 2 and 3. At least to help you to quicken, to help you to hasten your calculation so as to know whether you should give it a try or not. Merely seeing the number, you can know whether it's divisible by 3 or whether it's divisible by 2. Let's start with divisible by 2. Any number, example of number divisible, but no matter how big it is, that number will end with an even number. Numbers like this, numbers like 2, 0, 4, 5, 6. This number can be divisible by 2 because it's ending with an even number. It's ending with an even number. No matter how big it is, whether it is million, whether it is billion, 2 can go without remainder. 2 can go without remainder because it's ending with an even number. Then number that ends like 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, that is maybe 8, whatever it is. In as much as it's ending with a number like this. Let me say 4, 3, 0, 1, 0. It's ending with 6. If it ends with either 2, it ends with 4, it ends with 6, it ends with 8, it ends with 0. All these numbers, 2 can go into these numbers we are seeing here, no matter how big they are, whether it is billion, whether it is trillion, it can go without remainder. I don't need to waste my time over this because this one is very simple. If we divide it like the method we used previously in that division of large numbers with single digits, you can do it and you see the facts of what I'm saying now. Everything is very simple because it's ending with even numbers. That is divisible by 2. Then divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, we have a method for this. To know about divisible by 3 is that we add digits. For example, we have 75. For us to know whether this one is divisible by 3, all you just need to do is to add a digit. If we add it, you're going to get something like 12. And 12, whenever you add and you get a multiple of 3, in my multiplication table video, I've told you about multiples. Multiples of 3. Any one that you add like this and it gives you a multiple of 3, know that that number, this 75, can be divisible by 3 without remainder. If we have something like, okay, let me just say 125, let me check 125, whether it's divisible by 3. I can tell you from here whether it's divisible by 3 or not. It's not divisible by 3 because when we have 1 plus 2 plus 5, that will give us what? 7, we have 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3. So this number, 3 cannot go without remainder. It cannot go without remainder. But let me just check another big number. I want to make a very big number so that you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, let me talk about 1, 2, 5, 4. I'm already checking now already. That is now. From what I'm seeing here already, I know even without doing my division that 3 can go into this number. You ask me how did I know? How I knew was this 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4. When I add, I have 3. 3 plus 8 will give me 3 plus 8 will give me plus 5, but I will give me 8. 8 plus 2 will give me what? 12. And I know fully well that 12 is a multiple of what? 3. So this number you are seeing, I think I did that in my short division process just now. You see that this number 3 can go into this number without, it can go into this number without remainder, because when you add the digits, when we say digits, we're talking about the individual number digits. So when we add the different digit number, it gave us a multiple of 3. What are multiples of 3? We have 3, we have 6, we have 9, we have 12. Consecutively, just continue to add 3. Like when I was teaching you multiplication table and division table, you see that was a method I taught to make it very easy for you to learn multiplication table. You use your multiples just consecutively. That is, as you go forward, you add 3. As you go forward, you add 3 to what you have previously. You will get all the multiples of what? 3. So if you have done this, you have added the number and you discover that you have a multiple of 3, it's a clear indication that you are saying that number 3 can go into that number without remainder. Let's try this one. I'm stop with this. 3 into this to prove an evidence that 3 can go without remainder. 3 will go into this first 2 digits. It will go 4 times. 4 times. Then 3 into 5. Since we are done with this first 2 digits. 3 into 5 will go 1 time. Remainder 2. Put that 2 before 4. If you put that 2 before 4, we'll be having 24. 3 into 24. You see that 24 is also a multiple of 3. So what we give out of 24 is actually 8. You can see it without remainder. So these are just little things that you will be building up in your mathematics process, that at the end of the day, you discover that you have overcome the challenge of mathematics. Thank you very much.